Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about quick reference panels in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Sometimes you want to have more than one thing on the screen at once. There are multiple ways to do this in Scrivener, but one of those is quick reference panels. To make a document into a quick reference panel, drag it onto this icon on the toolbar that looks like a pencil and paper. A new panel will appear on the screen, showing you the contents of that document, with most of the editing functionality of the main editing screen. However, as soon as you click onto the main screen, that comes to the front, unless that is you go into the Window menu and select Float Quick Reference Panels, which is probably something you should have selected at all times, because why would you not want to be able to see a quick reference panel if you have it selected? You can adjust the size of your panel and move it around to wherever you want on the screen, and you can have as many panels as you can fit into the space. To get rid of the panels, just close them. There are other ways to get these panels up. If you right-click on the item in the binder and select Open, you'll see Quick Reference in the list. Also, you can double-click an item in Bookmarks in the inspector to get a panel to appear. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.